Hey guys, just wanted to go over the social studies assignment for today. You can see it's Monday, March 23rd. If you go on down to social studies here, it'll say civil rights task cards quiz. This is going to be used today so you can review for what's going to be a test over civil rights movement tomorrow. If you click on these, you'll see they are familiar. We did this in class. Most of these you should have down by now, but it's been a long time. We've stretched this unit over several weeks, and so if you look at these, you're going to use these to review. And if you would, spend most of your time going here to this link to the Civil Rights Movement page. When you go on there, you'll see the main goal is to go over the slides down here. So all of these slides, Civil Rights Movement, Brown versus Board of Education, all the way down. Please pay attention to the fact that this last one here we haven't spent a whole lot of time on, technology of the 1960s. I want to make sure that you are familiar with that, so definitely go through this and kind of check it out, because there will be some questions on the test about this, but not too many. It's still important. So as you review today, you're going to do these task cards, make sure you know the answers, check the civil rights page and go through the slides, and these questions on these task cards are going to be your questions for the test tomorrow. There'll be a GoFormative link for you to follow and take the test. So have fun. Thanks for your hard work. Check me out in the writing section down there.